So in a skillet, this is I decided to besides this being cheaper, to use the beef sausage mixture. Thought it would give it more flavor. So the first thing we got to do is brown our meat, our hamburger meat. And we're going to add about 1/4 cup of onions to that. This is homegrown onions out of my garden, chopped, and there was maybe over 1/4 cup there. So we're going to brown this. We're making stuffed peppers. I have never made stuffed peppers, so we'll see how this goes. So the next thing we need to do is wash our green peppers off, the big size. We're going to cut the tops off, clean out the inside, and then we're going to put it in a baking pan for right now. Be sure to rinse out the inside of the peppers too after you got all the seeds out. And remember, that is good for your compost pile. So I'm going to mix this in a bowl because there's an ingredient that I don't like adding to my cast iron skillet. So I have drained the beef sausage mixture or beef mixture, whatever you want to call it. We're going to add a cup of cooked rice. And thanks to the microwave, got that done. We're going to add a cup of drained corn. Yum. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of steak sauce. And so the steak sauce I don't like to add to my cast iron skillet. Neither do I like to add tomato sauce. So we want 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, which basically is a cup. We're going to get this all mixed together. And I do have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. Can you guess what the next step is? Yep, we got to fill these peppers. So we're going to fill these peppers with our mixture here. And I'm not too worried if it dumps over. That's why the aluminum foil is there. This is supposed to fill 6 peppers. So hopefully it will work. Sorry about the noise there. So I'm going to finish this and I'll be right back. So there, all 6 peppers are filled. Now we're going to bake it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until the peppers are done. And that's at 350 degrees. That is what I'm putting it in there. Yeah, I may have missed this step. Y'all don't see that. But then again, I'm not a professional cook. I'm just a home cook. Oh, and I forgot to add, you may want to put some pepper in this. I didn't add no pepper. Excuse me. So I'm going to put this in the oven. And I'll let you know what it looks like when it's done.